In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send big files on Gmail without using Google Drive. Now, you might have encountered a situation where you're trying to send a large file through Gmail, only to be met with limitations regarding file size. The usual go-to solution is Google Drive, but today, we'll explore an alternative method for those times when you prefer not to use Google Drive. The first thing you need to do is choose a reliable cloud storage service that supports large file sharing. There are several options available, such as Dropbox or WeTransfer. These platforms are particularly great since they offer services tailored for large file uploads and sharing. For our demonstration, let's use WeTransfer, a popular choice for sending big files easily. Head over to the WeTransfer website. Once you're there, you'll notice a simple, user-friendly interface that makes uploading files a breeze. Click on the large Add Your Files button. This is where you can choose the file or files that you want to send. Make sure your files are readily accessible on your device so this step is quick and seamless. As you select your files, you'll see them begin to upload. Keep an eye on the progress bar to ensure your files are proceeding without any hitches. A useful tip here is to ensure a stable internet connection to prevent any disruptions during uploading. Now, it's time to focus on where you want to send these files. You'll enter your email address, your recipient's email address, and, if you like, add a personal message. This message could be anything, perhaps the reason for the file or even a short greeting. WeTransfer also offers an option to send a link instead of directly emailing the file. This can come in handy if you need to share the file with multiple recipients or if your recipient has any restrictions on receiving direct files. After inputting all the necessary information, click the Transfer a button. You might be asked to verify your email address if you're a first-time user, but don't fret, just follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be good to go. Once your files have been uploaded and the email confirmation is received, your recipient will get an email notification with a link to download the files you sent. They'll have a generous 7-day window to download the file. Therefore, it's a good idea to inform them about this time frame to ensure they download it in time. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a large file through Gmail without resorting to using Google Drive. This method not only expands your sharing capabilities but also offers flexibility with various storage and file sharing platforms. I hope you found this guide helpful and try it the next time you find yourself in a pinch. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.